Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So um, in the last video we looked at how to install CapCut for Windows PCs and Mac PCs, and in this second video of the playlist we will be taking a look at CapCut's interface. So I'm using Mac. So after you have installed CapCut, go to the Launchpad, locate CapCut, click on it, and it will launch CapCut. So this is the first interface that you will see. We'll get into the editor dashboard by clicking on new project, but let's not do it now. Let's take a look at what are the options on this home launch screen. So on the left we have this user ID. So it is best to log into CapCut when you are using it, because that way all your projects get saved in the cloud, and this way if you need to log in to CapCut from a different PC, as soon as you log in you will get access to all your files. Now from this middle part at the top you see the new project, where as soon as we hit it, it will take us into the editor interface. But before that, you can see all your projects listed. This is the project catalog. You can change the layout of it from list to grid and back to list, however you like it. And you see the duration, the size, and last edited meta information as well. You can also search for any specific video that you worked on recently and quickly jump into it and start editing again. If you accidentally deleted any videos to the trash, you will find a list of those videos in the trash tab. And lastly, go at the top right and click on settings, and then again click on settings. From here you will see all the default values for CapCut. For example, the step forwards, image durations. You don't need to get too deep into it if you are a beginner, but as we move along with this course we will touch upon all of these settings and how you might need to adjust them for ease of use. So we're gonna just keep it as it is, and from here if you want to use CapCut in a different language you can also use it. So there are a bunch of languages, but I'm gonna keep on using English. I'll click on save and exit the settings options. Now let's dive right into CapCut's editor interface. So to do so, I'll simply click on this new project button. Okay, so this is the CapCut's interface. Now let's start with how to name your project. So go up here, you will see a number. So by default CapCut gives each of your projects a number, but you might want to use a name for your videos. So I'll simply write in a name for this video, CapCut interface, and hit enter, and that gets saved. Now from the left, let me just create a project. So yeah, now let's go up now, and you see this auto saved option appear. Now what it means is that it gets automatically saved. You don't need to press Ctrl save every time you make the smallest changes to your videos. This is a very useful feature. So let me quickly show you how useful it is. So I imported a stock image into the editor and I did not click save. So what I'll do is close this editor, and now as I'm taken back to the home screen, I see that this project that I was just working on. So I can click on it and jump right back editing it. So yeah, some people ask me how do I save templates. You don't need to save templates because CapCut saves them automatically for you. All right, so let's look at another feature, which is what if this is the preview here, what you see. So what if you want to see it in a big screen? To do so, you can simply hold this upper header area and pull it down, and it just, sorry, hold it and pull it out of that area and release it. So now you see that this preview player window has been extended. Now what I need to do, what I want to do is show you how to enlarge it to full screen. To do so, go up at this three dots, and as soon as you hover your mouse over it, you'll see restore, full screen, or minimize. So I'll click on full screen and it takes up the entire screen. Now to restore it, go up again and click on restore. So it gets injected into the middle again. Now there is another way to see your projects in the big screen, which is go down and click on this expand button. Now to go back to the editor interface, come down and click here again. So there you go. Now let us head over to the left side of the interface where you see these options: media, audio, text, and there are another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. So let's start with media. So in this media tab, you will find your media files. So if you have your own footage, what you can do is click on local and import, and then click on this button and it will open the selection window. So simply click on any video file that you have on your computer, Mac, and it will be imported inside CapCut. Now CapCut also has its own library of stock videos and images, and the collection is huge. And these are free of cost. You can use any video file that you think you need for your video project. Now let's head over to audio tab. From here you will find full-fledged songs, also sound effects. So if you go to music, you will see there are many songs. So just recently it was Women's Day, so it is showing us audio in that category. You can search for any audio using keywords, and before you add one to your project, you can have a preview. You can listen to it. So in order to listen to it, you just need to click on it. Now, if you find the audio file that works best for you, to add it to your project, you simply need to click on this add button. And another cool feature is if you want to use one audio file for multiple projects, you can add it to your favorites list. See this golden star button. Okay, now let's head over to sound effects. You will find sound effects for all sorts of things. You get the idea. Now it's to add a sound effect, all you need to do is the same. Add to this. First, play a preview of it. Once the audio is downloaded, use this add to track button. Let's head over to text tab. So here is from here you can add text to your videos. You can build one from scratch, or you can use any of these pre-made text templates that CapCut offers, and there is a huge collection of it. Now, another cool feature in the text tab is auto caption. So if you have a video with a voiceover, what you can do is add it to CapCut and head over to text and add auto captions and hit create, and it will automatically create captions for you. Now the next tab is stickers. Here you will find emojis and stickers for different needs. And next we have effects. So effects are a combination of animations, different video effects such as blur, and it also has elements of styling. So you will see a different saturation and different color grading in the effects tab. Next we have transition. So there are many options to choose from. So if you find the transition that you want to use, simply drag it between two video clips. Then we have filters. So filters do not add animation. They are just different combinations of color grading. And the last one is adjustments. So from here, you can add your own, color grading presets from the LUTs tab. You can import your own LUTs. So as you can see, I'm using a bunch of LUTs. And lastly, I will show you how to add voiceover to your videos in CapCut and how to access CapCut shortcuts. So to add voiceover, you come down and you see this mic icon, which says record. So you click on it and this will open up this window, and you can pick your input option. And as you click on the record button, it will start recording your voiceover. The last thing I want to show you is how to access keyboard shortcuts. So you go up and you click on this shortcut button. And from here you will see all of the shortcuts that are available. So there you go. I think now you have a better understanding of CapCut's interface. I hope you can start working on your projects, and if you still need some more assistance, some more walkthrough videos, please do drop by our channel. We'll be uploading one video every day until the playlist is complete. So, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next video.